So, I bet it's the first time you've been driving in a fire engine, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
See these here, we've got our computer here, so if we get a fire call,
Yeah.
Yeah.
we'll have to press that. We will go.
Yeah, and you've got the privilege to be in one of the best fire engines you've got, one of the newest ones.
Yeah.
How good's that?
Really good.
Yeah, really, really good. She's like 2-year-old, isn't it?
We've had these, I think about 3 years now.
Oh, 3. I would have been 3.
Yeah, it is.
Was it E1 or E3?
You won.
E1.
Mm.
Even better.
Yeah.
Big boy wagon.
Yeah.
They're bigger than you thought, then, the fire engines.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You can smell the smoke in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we're just used to it now.
Mm.
I think they are used to it as well. Yeah, yeah. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Is we put blue 999s on, and I take my handbrake off, and you press on, and again.